Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw CJ Carlos Jr. from the Casagrandes. Grab your pencil and let's begin. We're going to start by drawing CJ's head. We're going to make a square to begin with. And then of course we're going to start giving shape to the square. Now I'm going to draw a skew line downwards like this. Now from there, I'm just going to roughly draw an eye, and on this side I'm just going to draw the eye a bit lower and a bit bigger as well. I'm going to make a eyelid right there, or let's say the eyebrow, and then right there is another eyebrow. Then right between we're going to do a nose, and then of course a smile. Now I'm going to make the smile very close to this eye here. I'm going to start there, I'm going to take it a bit away, just going to make a little dimple there, and I'm just going to stop there. Underneath that I'm just going to do the bottom of the lip, and then here we're just going to roughly draw some teeth sticking out. Right, now that we have this, I'm going to start on this side and I'm just going to draw rough lines here. So his hair is going to be here, it's going to come down here about like this, and then I'm going to start, let's go to this side. We're going to first do here by the eye, there we go. Now I'm going to make it nice and round here for the cheek. As you can see, it's starting to take shape now, and we're just going to go around and we're going to go about here, and we're just going to draw this line. And now that we have this, we can draw an ear. I'm going to go up and I'm going to draw an ear right here, bring it up, and just bring another line down. Next up we're going to do his hair, so I'm going to start here. So let's do a basic shape of his head. So his head will look something like this, and then on top of that we can start drawing his hair. Here at the back I'm just going to draw two pieces of hair standing up. I'm going to draw another piece there, and so I'm going to follow the curvature of his head like here, and maybe something there as well, and then right here, and then at the back maybe some hair here as well. So there we got a rough head. Now right here is a bow tie, and you're just going to draw over the lines, because remember later we can erase the line. There's a bow tie as well. I'm gonna go a little bit down about here, and I'm just going to draw another line, skew line going down, and then roughly, as we always do, we're just going to draw the body. I'm going to start here as well, and I'm just going to bring it back there. So we're going to have a body there, and as I said, a rough shape. We're going to have a leg coming here and another leg there. On this side we're going to draw the top of the arms are going out, and then maybe in and in like a stick shape, and a little ball there, and there a little ball as well. Now we're going to fill this in. So the first thing I'm going to do the sleeves of his shirt, and I'm going to bring it back, and here I'm going to bring it back as well. So there's the sleeve. Now from the sleeve I'm going to draw an arm, bring it around, and here I'm going to bring the arm around there as well. Now right here I'm just going to draw a square shape, and I'm going to make a fist and a thumb, something like that. I'm going to bring the back of his shirt back here, and then on this side I'm just going to make it round, and I'm going to finish his shirt completely. So there's his shirt, and then from here again a sleeve, bring it back, and then we're going to draw the arm going here, and then of course we're just going to fill in the hand. Now right here we're going to continue, follow this curve, and we're going to follow the curve here, and then right in between we're just going to go there, line down, and then we're going to do his trousers. So there's one, here's the other one, and it will just stand like this, and then of course we're going to draw his legs, got socks. There we go. And then of course, roughly again, let's just draw some shoes here. Don't worry, just make it rough. We're going to go over it now. So this one is way bigger, so I'm going to just make it a bit smaller. You see, when I make a mistake, I just go and I ignore these lines. I just go a bit smaller there. Right, now there is laces here as well on his shoes. As you see, I'm not doing it very beautiful, just roughly. Right, I'm going to take my Sharpie now, and we're going to go over the lines. First up, I'm going to start with the ear. I'm going to do Carlos's or CJ's ear here, the inside, there, good. Now here I'm going to start with the hair. Now I'm going to start on top, and I'm just going to try to draw it there, and then here I'm just going to do his fringe. There we go. And then of course here I'm just going to draw his hair there, and then maybe this hair can stand up a bit like this. Then we have these two, and then of course the back. And then before I do the back hair here, I'm going to go here and I'm going to draw the eyebrow, fill it in. Here I have another eyebrow, it's behind his hair, and then I'm just going to draw his eye a little bigger, and this one also a little bigger. And we're just gonna draw the pupil, light reflection, fill the pupil in. We're going to do the same here as well, light reflection. You can fill this in as well. Good. His nose. Then we're going to go the side of his head, right there. And then before I do this chin and the cheek, I'm going to come in here. I'm going to draw the bow tie. And I'll fill the bow tie in as well. I'm going to fill the hair in. You're going to go down and just draw CJ's smile, and then of course his teeth. Bottom lip. Now I'm going to start from here, and I'm going to follow the line through and draw his cheek as well. Then right underneath, we're just going to make some bags for his eyes. Before I do this hair, I'm just going to go here and I'm going to draw his sleeve. There we go, like this, and we're going to fill this in as well. We're going to start right here, do his shirt. Now I'm going to start with his arm. I'm just going to do the forearm first. Then I'm going to draw his fingers there, and then finish off with his arm on this side, then the thumb, and then right here I'm just going to curve this all the way around, and on this side I'm going to curve it all the way around, and here in the middle I'm just going to make another line. I'm going to divide this for his shirt and his pants, and I'm going to go back and we're going to draw the sleeve. When you do the forearm, bring it back, and then of course I'm just going to draw his hand right there behind his trousers. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make it a bit different. I'm going to make this one solid line. There we go. And then of course I'm going to change his legs a little bit. This one I'm going to change also a little bit. And then for his shoes, first I'm going to draw the shoelaces, then I'm going to draw his shoes. Shoelaces, And then I'll finish up with CJ's shoes. And there's CJ. Now you can erase the pencil lines, and you can fill CJ in. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.